Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Instagram account without email or phone number. So let's get started. So here we are in Instagram, and first things first, I'm going to show you the normal way on how you can do this. And let me tell you that the best way to do this is with either an email or phone number that is associated to that account. All you have to do is basically just go into your profile right here and go tap your name right there and tap on add Instagram account. From here, log in into existing account, and then from here tap on forgot password. Then you would need to provide your username, email, or maybe your phone number right here in this method. But if you really don't have this, then what you can do is you have no choice but to email Instagram. So in that case, you would need to go into your email, or in my case I'll be going for Gmail right here. So here in my Gmail, I have support@instagram.com. This is where I'm going to send my email because this is the support email of Instagram. So I'm going to go there. And from here, I'm going to go for the subject. I can't access my account, maybe something like that, or maybe your account is hacked or whatsoever. You would want to put your title on what is the cause or what happened to your account or whatsoever, and then basically in the compose email, all you have to do is basically describe what happened to your account, when did you stop getting access to your account and whatsoever. Or maybe you can send up some proof of identification, maybe some ID that would prove that you have or that you are the owner of that account. So from here in the compose email, I have my IDs here that would prove that my account, my identity is that account, and so on. I can't really give you the exact words because it would be subjective. It might be different from person to person depending on your case. So you can just write whatever you want right there. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for